Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my handcuffs and tell you where I got them from. And so yeah. These are this is the case. Like any ordinary case. Some of them are leather, like this one. Those are the cuffs. This right here tells you what kind of brand they are, but I really don't know what brand they are. Yeah. The brand, like I said, I don't know, but I got these for a really good deal. And it was a wicked good deal. Like the best deal you could ever get. They charged me $15, and they charged me $15 because I only had that much at the time. And then I just paid them back as I kept going when I got the money. Close up. So yeah, these are my handcuffs. I did the other video a couple days ago. Just wanted to make sure you guys knew what I was talking about, which you probably did. So, alright, bye.